In this video, we learn here the property number 1 called as a first shifting property or theorem. So what is this property? Define statement. So this property, suppose or if Laplace of f of t equals to f of s bar, then Laplace of e raised to power, suppose a into t into some function, it is f of s minus a bar. Okay, so in this lesson we use this property. With the help of example, you will understand more how to apply this property. So one small example you will understand. Evaluate Laplace of e raised to power 4t into sine 4 times t. We have to calculate here the Laplace transformation of e raised to power 4t into sine. So this is just one small example. First we have to find the Laplace transformation of this sine 4t. So answer, the Laplace of 4t equals to, with the help of formula, that is the Laplace of sine 80. If you know, then it is a divided by a square plus a square. Okay, so here a square plus a square. Now after comparing this, the value of 8 is 4, so 4 divided by a square plus a square. All these formulas are defined in the last video. You can check description for the link. Now after finding this Laplace transformation, now here multiply e raised to power 4t. That time we have to replace the value s is equals to s minus a. Okay, so remember when we multiply, so e raised to power 80 या 40. अब यहाँ पे a का वैल्यू 4 है, देन Laplace of e raised to power 4 times t into sine 4t equals to this numerator 4 as it is. In place of s I am putting s minus a. A means again here 4. Here it is square, so square as it is, plus a square means here 4 square, sorry, that is 16, so 16 as it is. Now after solving this bracket, let us see here the 4 first as it is. So we have to solve this. So with the help of formula a minus b the whole square, like a square plus 2ab plus b square, so that a means s, b means 4. So s square plus, sorry, here minus, then it will be again minus 2ab, so it will be 2 times 4 means 8, b to s, plus b square means minus 4 square becomes 16 plus this 16. So finally the answer will be 4 divided by this s square as it is minus 8, s also as it is, plus here 16 plus 16, 32. So this is the Laplace transformation of e raised to power 4t into sine of 4t. Okay, this is the small example on this property. find the Laplace transformation of Laplace of, we consider the function like sine hyperbolic 2t into cos 7t divided by e raised to power. So answer. So while observing this example, the problem containing some terms are number one, it is in the denominator e raised to power t. So when I am writing in numerator, then it will be e raised to power minus t. Okay, so ये ऊपर आने के बाद negative. Another one term here, it is hyperbolic function and it is cos 7t. So it is non-hyperbolic term. So we can't apply here the formula 2 into sine a cos b, yeah, cos a sine b like this. When it is hyperbolic, then remember that sine hyperbolic theta, it is e raised to power theta minus e raised to power minus theta divided by 2. If it is cos hyperbolic theta, then it is e raised to power theta plus e raised to power minus theta by 2. Okay, remember these formulas we are using here. So the first step, after converting this term and applying this e raised to power t in numerator, then what happen? And then after we apply the cos 7t and then its Laplace transformation. So first simply calculate this. So answer, given Laplace equals to Laplace as it is. I am writing this term in the form of exponential. So in place of theta, it is 2 times t. So it is e raised to power 2 times t, then minus e raised to power minus 2 times t divided by 2. So I am writing here 2 outside, so it is 1 by 2. Constant term we can take outside, and denominator e raised to power t as it is cos function of 7t. I am not converting this into exponential form. Okay, so only this part. So calculate this, 1 by 2. अब इसको ऊपर लेके जाएंगे तो ये e raised to power minus t multiply to e raised to power 2t raised to power minus 2 times t, then cos 7t as it is. Solving on 1 by 2 as it is. If I multiply e raised to power minus t to e raised to power 2 times t, then e raised to power t become remaining minus e raised to power, अब ये फिर से इसको मल्टीप्लाई होगा, then minus t minus 2 times t minus 3 times t multiply to cos 7. Okay, then Laplace of 1 by t, Laplace of, I am writing here separately, Laplace of e raised to power t into cos 7t minus Laplace of e raised to power minus 3t into cos 7 times t. Then after what, 1 by 2, we know the Laplace of this what, Laplace of cos 7t, use roughly, then it is s divided by s square plus a square. A means 7, 7 become 49, 7 square it is 49. So whenever the s, we have to apply here shifting property. So if you aware about the shifting property, then it is easy. So here cos 70, its Laplace is this one, and in place of s, with the help of this shifting term, so it is s minus 1 divided by s minus 1 whole square plus 49 as it is, minus, here also same, but e raised to power minus 3t, its effect it is what, s replaced by s plus 3, so I am writing here same again because of cos function, so s plus 3 divided by s plus 3 whole square plus 49. Just solve the denominator. So after that, this 1 by 2 as it is, so s minus 1 divided by, solve this, it is s square plus 2ab, sorry, minus 2ab, then it will be 2 times s plus b square means 1, and after that this, so become 50. Next minus s plus 3 as it is divided by, solve this, so a plus b whole square, so it will be a square plus 2ab, so it becomes 6x plus b square means 3 square become, yes, 3 square become 9, and 9 plus 49, so it is 58. So in this way we can see the final solution of Laplace transformation of the function, that is the Laplace of sine hyperbolic 2 times t into cos 70. Okay,